I wanted to share an issue I've been having with my GEPRC Cinebot 30 with the O3 air unit. I just can't get rid of this Jutter in stabilized footage. This is actually my second unit. The guys at Race Day Quads let me exchange the first unit, and both units have this same Jutter. So you can see the footage on the left is raw, straight from the camera, no stabilization applied. The footage on the right has been run through GyroFlow, and I get the same results using DJI's Rocksteady. Both stabilization algorithms use the data from the gyro, which is actually in the camera, and in order for that to work effectively, the camera and the gyro unit inside need to be very well isolated from motor vibration. That just hasn't been done well enough on this drone. The camera is sandwiched extremely tightly between the two TPU units and is just not offering enough vibration damping. I'll cut over to the full screen stabilized footage and you can actually see what's happening here. So as I take off, it's not so bad, but as I accelerate forward, you can see the houses on the left there. The roof is really juddering back and forth, very in a way that really takes you out of the footage. As I go up here, yaw around, it's not so bad. But then as I descend and start to accelerate back towards my takeoff point, you can see again it's juddering there on the left. So like I said, this is actually my second unit. The guys at Race Day Quads helped me exchange the first unit that had the same issue. I just got this new one today, and unfortunately, it's been this. It has exactly the same problem. Didn't apply any adjustments or anything. I just took it out of the box, bound it, activated it, and you can see the results here for yourself. I reached out to GEPRC. They say that they're making silica gel inserts to hopefully address the issue. Offered to send me some. They're not ready yet. They're still engineering them, at which point I assume that they're going to have to manufacture them. It's going to be a while. I'm not sure if I'm going to have the patience for that. I kind of just expect this thing to work out of the box at this price point. I've seen some YouTube videos saying to glue the camera barrel to the base, tighten the screws, loosen the screws. Tried all that. Nothing seems to have fixed it. So yeah, overall, this is kind of disappointing. You can see with the raw footage here, I'm not the best pilot, but there's not that judder, right? So that stabilization algorithm using that gyro data from the camera that isn't well enough isolated from the motors is ultimately what's contributing to that judder when I try to run it through GyroFlow. So overall, this is kind of disappointing. I wanted to share my experience, see if others are having the same issues, since I had two units with exactly the same problem. Now, the other thing I don't like about this is that the camera isn't positioned in a place where it can actually accept ND filters that are designed for the O3 air unit. It's just recessed too far in the frame. So yeah, I think GEPRC's really got some things that they need to sort out with this. It seems like they maybe rushed it to market to get the O3 unit out, didn't test it enough, didn't really think through issues like the vibration and the ND filters. The guys at Race Day Quads have been great, so shout out to them. And yeah, I hope this video helps those of you that are thinking about buying this drone or own it already. All right.